In this video, I will be disassembling this 2017 Tesla Model S LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by removing the lens and then we will disassemble the interior of the light. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that there's a couple of wire connectors on the outside edge connecting the main wire harness to the LEDs for the daytime running light. Simply unhook those and the LEDs are free from the light. The front bezel is connected to the lens via a series of T10 torx screws. I will go through and try to remove them all now. There were 3 T10 torx screws holding the bezel to the lens. I'm now going to go ahead and flip this over and continue removing the T10 torx screws holding on the LED components. So far, I have removed 18 T10 torx screws. Now there are 3 T7 torx screws holding on the LEDs. At this point, the bezel is removed as far as it can go. This white piece is plastic welded to the chrome trim piece. The clear plastic piece that goes in front of the LED units is also plastic welded into place. Next, I will remove this circuit board by removing the T15 torx screw and the 2 wire harnesses holding it in place. With the torx screw and the wire harnesses removed, we can simply slide this circuit board out of the light. Next, I will remove the headlight adjuster on the rear of the light. Simply need to twist this 90 degrees to the left and pop it out. Next, I will remove the 3 T15 torx screws under the projector assembly. There is a 4th T15 torx screw underneath the assembly hidden in the inside corner. With those 4 removed, we can now pull the assembly forward. First, I'm going to disconnect the wire harness for the fan. Next, I'm going to release the wire clip holding on the upper LED unit. There is a small tab on the bottom side of the wire clip. Next, there is a wire clip here on the upper outside corner. And last, there is a wire clip on the lower outside corner. At this point, the main LED unit is free of the light. In order to release the main wire harness clip, there is a tab on the top and bottom. We simply need to use a flathead screwdriver, push in on that clip, and push in on the wire clip with our thumb. With the main wire harness released, this individual wire harness is free of the light. Next, we simply need to pull the rest of the wire harness free from the housing. There is nothing left inside of the housing. The main LED unit is held together using a series of T15 Torx screws. I will start by removing them from the rear bracket here in order to release the LED drive units. The main LED drive units were held to the bracket using 6 T15 Torx screws. There's one upper LED unit connected to the bracket still. This LED unit was held on with 6 T15 Torx screws. There is one T15 Torx screw holding the upper and lower reflector assemblies together. I will now remove the 4 T15 Torx screws holding on the LED drive unit to the bottom reflector. There are 3 T15 Torx screws holding on this black trim piece. There are 4 T15 Torx screws holding on this upper LED unit. At this point, the light is fully disassembled. Here are the daytime running light and turn signal LED units. Here are the upper and lower main LED drive units. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.